All right. So the highlight today is on the lows. I caught one thing, but I missed another thing because I was bearish in here waiting for another leg lower until the NASDAQ, if you guys are watching the NASDAQ, kept getting hit and we just couldn't follow through as much. So the NASDAQ kept getting hit and we couldn't follow through as much. And then the NASDAQ jumped like 20 points out of the hole. And that's when we started to catch a bid. When I say we, the ES started catching a bid. I'll blow up the NASDAQ and show you where the NASDAQ was just getting pummeled after the open, all through here. And then all of a sudden, you get this jump, another leg lower here, and then you get this jump from 85 all the way up to the upper 12. That's a nice pop. Do you know that the rest of this is going to happen? Not necessarily, but you have to recognize this kind of rejection. See this big sell-off right in here about 8-9 minutes after the open? That was in here and we couldn't break. So they stepped all over the NASDAQ and they couldn't hit the ES. So that's one thing. The other thing is there were net longs in this market, and for the first time it shifted to net. In fact, in the replay video, I'm showing people what I just showed you, the big break in the NASDAQ and then the rejection, and telling people to be careful being short because of that. And then you look at our green bars, our OPP, other people's position, and you see them shrink, don't you? And the market goes for the first time net long to net short, and there's another net short in there, and it gives us the thought that the market is bullish at that point. And then you got some open shorts at that price, and the market, once it gets above there, it's gone off to the races. Then, so the upside, the first opportunity to say that the upside might be stalling is boom, right there. Let me back it up. Where? Right there. We'll come in and I talk about this green bar where, yeah, the market's still net short. All right. But a bunch of longs just got in here at 84.75. If it gets below it, you want it to work. The market's strong, so you want it to work quickly. But nonetheless, they stepped on it after that came in. Let me rewind it and show again. You could see longs get in there, right there. Watch this bar. Watch this area. I'll rewind it and do it again. Right there. Boom. Down. This isn't just red light, green light. These are other people's positions. If you don't know how important that is, go become a plumber.